In this video, we will see two different modes of writing Python codes in the IDLE Python environment. So let us begin here. In search bar, type IDLE. The Python logo will be popped up here. Just click on open. The screen of Python will be loaded. So this is the main screen of the Python interactive mode. Three angular brackets and the cursor blinking here says that this is an interactive mode and it is waiting for some command to execute. So let us start with small simple examples. Say print in double quotes hi, closing this parenthesis. As soon as I press the enter key, this hi is displayed immediately in the next line. You can also write small expressions, say 4 plus 7, press enter and you get the addition. You can also use variations of print command, say welcome to Python, comma, this is fun, double quotes close again and this parenthesis close. So here I am passing two different strings using comma separator, and if I say enter key, you can see the output displayed immediately. So in interactive mode, you can write short codes whose output can be given instantly. However, the codes in interactive mode cannot be saved for future purposes. So if you want to write complex programs or longer programs, you should go with the another mode of writing like script mode. So to jump to the script mode window, simply click on File, New File. So this is the script mode where you can start writing code instantly. Let us say I am having a variable, say a equals to 10, b equals to 30, and I am saying print in double quotes the sum of both variables is comma a plus b, parenthesis closed. Now to execute the file of the script mode, you have to firstly save the file. So simply say Ctrl S or file save. Now a save as dialog box window will load here. You can just give the name of the file, say edition, and here save file as Python files. You just click on the save button. You will see the file name along with the extension here .py. So py is the extension of a Python file. To execute this code, go to run and say run module. On the same interactive window, the output will be shown, say sum of both variables is 40. So we can understand that script mode is treated as the code window and interactive mode window is treated as the output window. Now let us make some changes here. Let's say now I want to print the product of these two numbers. So I will write, say the product of both variables is comma a into b, and I'm closing this parenthesis. Now if I run the program without saving this file, it will ask me to save the file first. So let us see this. I am saying run module. See, the pop-up window is saying source must be saved, OK to save. So if I'm clicking on OK button, it will save the file and run parallelly. So here both the statements are executed. Let us take another thing in mind. If I am making any kind of changes in the program, let's say I am adding another print statement, print the difference of both the variables is comma a minus b, parenthesis closed. Now here in this case, when I am printing the parenthesis, I have made the change in the file, but I have not yet saved. So once the changes are made, the asterisk mark is seen on the file name in the title bar. So this is saying that there are some changes done in the file and the file is not yet saved. So I will click either file save or I will simply use the shortcut key Ctrl S, and you can see the asterisk mark has gone, which is saying that now file is saved and it is ready to execute. To execute the file, we have the shortcut key, say F5. So here you can see the output of this latest code is been executed. So this is how you can use script mode as well as interactive mode to write the codes. I will just show you a small trick to just parallelly use both the windows. So we will split the screen in two halves. So just go to this icon on the top right corner and select the left side of the window, and another half of the window is shown with the interactive mode. So here I can use both script mode as well as interactive mode. Likewise, I am writing code in the script mode, which is an input file. Save the file, execute it, and parallelly on the right hand side you can see the output in the interactive mode. So this is how you can use both the modes to write codes. I hope you understood the basic differences between interactive mode and script mode. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more programming videos. We shall learn about more complex programs in upcoming videos. So till then, keep practicing, keep coding, and see you in the next video.